all of you there. Ayan yung sa Azure since December 29, 2023, Friday. Doon ako sa wave pool, nag-swimming ako. Tapos nag-enjoy ako. Ayan na yung wave pool and Azure Club. Tapos yan building. The building. Ayan, nag-swimming din ako. Yan yung favorite place ko ay wave pool. Favorite hotel ko yung Azure. So, yan na yung Christmas vacation and birthday celebration. Birthday vacation